All right, the temperature got warmer today, but you still need a heater to keep warm. The forecast showing some single-digit lows later this week. Now, with your forecast running some extra cycles, it's important to keep it ready. Change that air filter regularly. When dust and pet hair builds up in it, it can make the furnace work harder, possibly lead to a breakdown. Sometimes you'll get a clue that it's time to change the filter.
When you hear that whistling sound and you hear everything that's there, that furnace is struggling trying to pull air through that filter. It's completely plugged and you're about to burn up your blower motor.
A higher than normal utility bill is another sign your furnace might be struggling.